Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil, and we're here at
West Baden Springs Hotel.
That's right, folks. We're here at the West Baden Springs Hotel. We're staying at the Double Queen Suite with Parlor. So we'll give you guys a tour of the room we're staying at, the hotel, which is absolutely beautiful. There's so much going on here, so we'll try to cover as much as we can, and some of the amenities and on-site dining. So let's check out West Baden Springs Hotel. Escape from the everyday to a luxury hotel built more than a century ago. Once called the eighth wonder of the world, the focal point of West Baden Springs Hotel is an awe-inspiring atrium that spans 200 feet. Mixing comfortable ambience with modern amenities, there are endless possibilities for a truly extraordinary stay at the West Baden Springs Hotel. All right, so this is our room right here, 4315 on the third floor. Let's see what we got. So right when you enter, you got a little sofa here, a little seating area with a TV. Facing that area, and you got your table, your remote, and then your little bar area on the side here with your coffee maker, everything that you need to make that happen, and some cups as well. What's on the bottom here? So you got your fridge, garbage can also, trash can, and some water bottles. So you got the fridge in here. You should have a closet on this side. Yep, there's your closet with the iron hangers, your ironing board, and so on. You got a robe here as well. And then continuing on, that's actually a pretty large room right here. Now we got the bedroom here. It is a one bedroom suite, double queen. So both beds right here with a table lamp and a corner table right in the middle. And some more lights on top of the bed. Overall, a very large room with the TV on this side and a couple more chairs. So a lot of seating area, as you can see all around. So your dresser on the side here too, and a mirror here as well. Overall, love the whole look. The carpet, the wallpaper, everything throughout looks amazing. And then you got a picture of the hotel that we're staying at right here, the front view. I gotta say, it's a very beautiful hotel, inside and out. Now continuing on to the bathroom on this side, you have the large mirror as you enter, and the bathroom itself, I gotta say, it's a very large bathroom. You got a window in here as well. Now this is rare. We haven't really seen windows in a lot of hotels that we stayed at. I kind of like this. You get the natural lighting coming in. Your sink, your tabletop, your cups, your amenities, everything that you need. Shampoo, facial cleanser, etc. is all right there. Your magnified mirror and the mirror itself. And then you got your standing shower right here. And then you also got a tub. So both in the same bathroom. And then off to this side, you got your toilet, as seen here. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the suite here at the West Baden Springs Hotel. So let's see what else this place has to offer. Without a doubt, the Atrium is the focal point here. A 200-foot dome with rooms throughout. The Atrium is truly a masterpiece and a must-see. Hard to believe this was first opened in 1902. The entire area has a fair amount of seating where you can lounge and relax. Despite the area being a quiet zone, it even has a small section for kids as well. Each night you can also find live music, typically from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So make reservations at one of the two main restaurants. This one here is called Ballard's. Ballard's is conveniently located in the Atrium, serving casual dining with an upscale twist. Sinclairs is the other restaurant, a more elegant appeal, a great place to stop by for a delicious meal. They're open for dinner and Cafe Sinclairs for breakfast. You can also do in-room dining. Enjoy a fine dining experience within the comfort and convenience of your own room. On site, you'll also find Xanadu, a coffee and creamery shop. Alongside the coffee shop are a handful of shopping stores. Ballard's Lounge, where you can also hang out and play some billiards. There's even a museum showcasing the history of the hotel. Near With a check-in desk, you can also play checkers or chess, whichever you prefer. Not only that, there's also a library. Feel free to grab a book and sit back or play some board games while you're here. In addition to all of this, you can also enter the section that says mineral baths. Here you'll find the ultimate relaxation, the spa at West Baden. Right below is the swimming pool and fitness center. Once you're done on the inside, there's plenty more to do on the outside. For starters, it's worth mentioning that parking is free at the hotel. This includes free valet. The hotel also has a stable out back that you can visit. They provide various activities including pony rides, horseback, and more. Plenty of walking grounds as well and areas worth checking out right outside the hotel. If all this wasn't enough, there's a shuttle that runs 24 hours a day every 15 minutes and a trolley that travels connecting West Baden Springs to its sister hotel, the French Lick Resort. Enjoy more amenities at the French Lick where it's roughly a mile apart. Here you'll find more dining options, a swimming pool, which you can also access, and a casino. Well, there you folks have it, the West Baden Springs Hotel in French Lick, Indiana. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye. Subscribe.